Hi everyone, welcome to Quantify's CAT Academy and आज हम बात करने वाले internships. तो हर एक CAT aspirant का question होता है, should we do it or should we not? So hi sir.
Hi Ashika.
I'm going to put a few questions for you and answer about कि internships करनी चाहिए नहीं. The first question is why? Why internships?
देखो, why do we do internships? As a fresher, it is very important to talk about something. Academics तो हर कोई करते हैं. Just to get ourselves a little different from others, we should do internships. Internships give you a lot to talk about in the interviews. Internships do not count as work experience when we talk about CAT specifically.
Okay.
But internships gives you a lot to talk about when you are in the interviews.
So when we are framing, introduce yourself वाला question, so we can have a lot to talk about.
Yes. Exactly.
Then when do we do it? Because जब हम college कर रहे होते हैं, CAT prep कर रहे होते हैं, there's a lot on our shoulders. Travel भी होता है and then where?
देखो, internships की जो perfect timing होती है, it should be in your first year or when you have a lot of time. A lot of students do this mistake. They prepare in second year when we talk about commerce graduates, or they do in third year when we are talking about engineers. They have their colleges going on, and they parallelly pick up the CAT prep, and then under the pressure, mostly FOMO, जिसे हम कहते हैं, they start doing internships. Now they are not able to handle all these three things together. So what happens there is your percentile, which you might have got, let's say 95 percentile, you drop it down to 80. 80 percentile with 3 internships has nothing to do with 95 percentile with maybe 1 internship or any other thing. So internships सिर्फ तभी करनी चाहिए जब आप उसको time allocate कर सको. That is the important part. नहीं तो अगर आप internship नहीं कर रहे हो और आपकी percentile अच्छी आ रही है, you still have better chances to get calls. Otherwise, at 80 percentile with internship, you are getting no calls, so that's not a beneficial deal.
Alright, amazing. तो किस तरह के internships करने चाहिए? Because there are so many out there available. So which should I pick?
Alright. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंटर्नशिप सिर्फ इसीलिए मत करो क्योंकि वो नाम की इंटर्नशिप है, राइट? कि मुझे एक रोल मिल रहा है, मैं इंटर्नशिप कर लूँ रेज्यूमे में डालने के लिए. अगर आपको अपना करियर गोल क्लियर है कि मार्केटिंग में जाना है मुझे, तो आपको मार्केटिंग की इंटर्नशिप्स करनी चाहिए. फाइनेंस में जाना है तो फाइनेंस की इंटर्नशिप्स करनी चाहिए. बट अगर आपको वो रोल ही क्लियर नहीं है, देन गो फॉर एनी रोल विच एक्साइट्स यू as a fresher. Then maybe it could be let's say digital marketing role. Maybe it could be something like inventory management or something, but something that excites you should be the thing that is on the list, and that is the type of internships you should do.
Plus point colleges have so many clubs to go in and see कि तुम्हारा कहाँ पे interest lie करता है, so it's already very nice.
So if you are a member of any of the clubs in your universities or your colleges, that also helps a lot. But remember, every other person gets the certificate of committees and everything, so it's very hard to distinguish कौन सच बोल रहा है कौन झूठ. Although interviews में आपको पहचान लेंगे, but on the paper you will all look very similar. That is why internships, case studies give you a lot of to talk about. Now, if you don't have a lot to talk about the internships, नहीं कर सकते आप, you can do some certifications instead. They put an equally important aspect of they count as an equally important aspect of your resumes, and they will give you an equal impact.
Alright, thank you so much, sir, and thank you everyone for tuning.